Hello everyone! Have a look at this. The preview window you see shows the output of each assignment in this shader's fragment function. This is possible with the Godot shader previewer add-on, which I made because, in spite of my love for writing shader code, I missed the feature that visual shaders provide, which is previewing each step of the shader. Now you can go line by line in the fragment shader to preview the output of any assignment, and it works even if you click on a multi-line statement. Also, if you have a node using the shader selected, you can modify its uniforms and you'll see the live updates in the partial preview. Okay, now if you want to install the plugin, simply go to the asset library and search for Shader Previewer. Click it, click download and then click install, and now you can go to project and project settings, and in the plugins tab you can enable the shader previewer. You should now see a new shader preview window. To use it, you simply need to select any shader in the shader editor and a node that has a material using the shader. But yeah, it's just that easy. I am so excited to know what you think of the plugin and honestly so excited to try it myself. If you like this, please start the project on GitHub or share it with people who might find this useful, because your support really helps a lot. Now, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching, thanks a lot to my supporters, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!